Now I'm gonna show you guys my rainbow, not really rainbow, like pastel color cupcake poppet. So this is like a cute cupcake poppet with 5 colors: light pink, yellow, green, purple, and hot pink. So let's pop it. This is the good side. Pretty good. It's kind of hard though. It's literally kind of hard on this side. This is the not so good side. I guess it's fine. I wouldn't call it that bad. Like I've had other puppets that were worse. Okay. Let me just let you guys take a look. Now I'm going to show you guys another one.